Welcome to Moosa Education Camp, the place where learning meets earning. If you've ever dreamed of making money online but didn't know where to begin, this video is your first step toward financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore exactly how to start online earning in 2025, even if you have no money, no camera, and no experience. Let's get started. Small pause. 1. The truth about online earning. Before we talk about platforms or money, let's clear one big myth. Online earning is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill, not luck. You don't need to be a tech expert or influencer. You just need consistency, creativity, and the right guidance. If you can learn, you can earn. The internet in 2025 gives you thousands of free opportunities to build income streams from your phone or laptop. But the key is start learning first. That's exactly why this channel exists, to guide you step by step. 2. Best platforms to start in 2025. Now let's talk about the best platforms where you can actually start earning money this year. Number 1, YouTube. You don't even need to show your face. You can make videos using stock clips, AI voice, or slides, just like this one. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts paying you through ads. Number 2, Facebook Reels. Facebook has become a goldmine for creators. With just 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes of watch time, you can apply for monetization. You can earn from short videos, reels, and even brand promotions. Number 3, TikTok. If you can create fun, educational, or motivational content, TikTok's creator program can pay you per 1,000 views. Even if you don't join the program, you can still make money through collaborations and sponsorships. Number 4, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour allow you to sell your skills online. You can write, design, edit videos, translate, or even use AI tools to complete tasks for clients all around the world. So whether you're creative, technical, or just starting from zero, there's a place for you. 3. What you actually need to begin. A lot of people think they need expensive equipment to start. That's wrong. You just need 3 simple things. First, a mobile phone or a basic laptop. Second, a good internet connection. And third, a learning mindset. That's it. If you have these 3 things, you can start building your digital career right now. Don't wait for the perfect time, because that never comes. Start with what you have and grow from there. 4. How to learn skills for free. Now the question is, where can you learn these skills for free? Right here on Moosa Education Camp, you'll find tutorials, guides, and practical lessons on every major platform. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, freelancing, and many more. We'll cover everything step by step. How to create and grow your YouTube channel, how to monetize your Facebook page, how to get clients on Fiverr, and how to use AI tools to work smarter and earn faster. The goal is simple, to make you financially independent through online knowledge. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about what most beginners do wrong. They try to do everything at once. They expect results in 1 week. They give up too early. Remember, success online takes time. If you focus on one skill, one platform, and give it your best for 3 to 6 months, you'll see real results. The biggest secret to online earning is not talent, it's patience and consistency. 6. Final words. Start today. So if you really want to change your life in 2025, start learning today. Watch tutorials, practice daily, and don't be afraid to fail. Every big YouTuber, every top freelancer, every successful creator once started from zero, just like you. And now it's your turn. Music becomes uplifting. Subscribe to Moosa Education Camp right now and join our mission to make online education simple, practical, and free for everyone. Here you'll not just learn how to earn money, you'll learn how to build a better future. Pause, softer tone. Because success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who take action. So take your first step today, and I'll see you in the next video. Music fades out. This is Moosa Bhai, signing off from Moosa.